Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Today, I'll guide you through how to create a README file for GitHub. If you've been searching for a way to make a README.md file and add content to the GitHub repository, you've come to the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Now, let's start. To create a README file in your GitHub project, first of all, open github.com in your computer web browser and log into your account. Once you are in GitHub, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. From drop-down menu, click your repositories. Now, select the repository or project to which you want to add a README.md file. Once you are in your GitHub project, click on Add File at the top right of the repository and select Create New File from the drop-down menu. Alternatively, scroll down to the bottom of the project and click on Add a README from the README section. At the top, you will see your project name and a text box for the README file. Enter README.md here if it has not been automatically added. Below the project and file name, you will see a text edit box. Here you can add your project description using Markdown syntax to format the content. To add an H1 heading title, type hashtag space and then type your project name or other title. To add a title in an H2 heading, type double hashtag, and for H3, type triple hashtag. You can also add a table of contents like this. Once you have added content to the README.md file, click on Commit Changes on the top right side of the screen. Confirm the changes by clicking Commit Changes again in the pop-up. Now, your project README section looks like this. You can edit it at any time by clicking on the pencil icon. By following these simple steps, you can create a well-structured and informative README file for your GitHub project.